Hey everyone, in today's video, let's learn how do you choose a data structure in Python. So we know Python has a number of built-in data structures to work with, each one with its own features. So let's see the reasons of why you choose one over another. So we have lists, tuples, uh, sets, um, frozen sets, and dictionaries. Okay, so how do you choose between them? For lists, uh, if you need your items, uh, your items to be ordered, okay, and you need the flexibility of a list to add, remove, and update items. Okay, this is for lists. So your items will be ordered. They will have the flexibility to add, remove, or update items in the list. For tuples, your items are ordered, okay, but the items won't change. Okay, so you can have a more performant access to them. Okay, so tuples are more performant. Their items are ordered, but they won't change. Okay, you can't add, remove, or update the items. Um, in sets, you don't care about orders, so items are unordered here. Okay, and you want to make sure you don't have duplicates. So sets don't allow duplicates. So you can't have the same item twice. Frozen sets are very similar to sets in the sense that it's unordered, okay, and no duplicates, okay, but the items won't change. So you have more performance, right? So frozen sets, unordered like sets, don't allow duplicates like sets, but the difference is items won't change and frozen sets are a bit more performant. So these two items are the same in tuples when compared with lists. So you can see a relation between them, right? And for dictionaries, order also doesn't matter, okay? Um, they are used when you need to associate key value pairs, right? And be able to look up for a data based on a custom key instead of indexes. So we know that when we use lists or tuples, or we have a index. It's a sequential index like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Dictionaries give you the power to define your own keys. Okay, so if that's important for you to define your own keys instead of just using indexes that have no meaning. So yeah, dictionaries is the best choice for you, right? So this is how you choose a data structure when you have to deal with lists, tuples, sets, frozen sets, and dictionaries. So keep this in mind when you are choosing how to deal with your data in Python. All right. So that's it. I hope you find this useful. Thanks for watching. Bye.